Going crazy, guys. I don't know where my beanie's at, and I feel naked without it. What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today, guys, I am taking a break from the CRX. The head's about ready to go on the block, except I am still needing head studs, and I decided that I'm not going to use used head studs, and I'm just going to buy new ones for this build since everything is brand new anyways. And that means I got to take on side projects. So guys, this car right here belongs to my buddy. It's been out there putting in some work, and a lot of people don't believe that it's just an LS turbo, and today that's gonna change. That's right, LS turbo with an eBay kit, and it's been putting work out there, out here where we're at. You guys have probably seen this a few times out there in Mexico, and I think it's ready for a Vtec head. So today we're going to find out if it has a piston rod setup. It was claimed to be sleeved. It was claimed to be stock sleeve. We don't know. I'm going to be taking this head off today to do the Vtec head conversion, which is over there, and also a new turbo kit, which is right here. There are going to be two segments to this build. Today we're taking care of the head stuff, and I'm going to reuse the eBay turbo kit just to make sure the car turns on and everything's good and dandy before we step into phase 2, which is installing this turbo kit right here and fabricating the up pipes as well as the wastegate up pipes to go the same direction instead of two different locations like this current one right here. Even though this is my buddy's car, I have to treat it like a customer's car, so that means this video is going to be more of a like, how do you say it, straight to work type of video. So I'm just gonna set the camera down, record everything that I'm doing, and we'll see you guys at the end of the video.
Fall Just to know what you knew. Restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but I'm in the dead of the night. Let the darkness take control. Let the darkness take control. Darkness take control. May the darkness take control. Take me in small, breathe me in and let me go. Sink to your heart to find you. Open up your eyes till you're blinded by the lies, so you can see what you do. Restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but I'm in the dead of the night. Teardrops on the floor. The pain is over. Feel the darkness take control.
First and foremost, I want to say thank you guys for making it to the end of this video. We are about to turn the car on, guys, and today has been a long day, buttoning up a lot of little things, but it's done. So the injector, the turbo kit, everything was on here previously. The ECU is the same. Nothing has changed other than the Vtec head. And I'm just doing this just so we could turn the car on. I haven't tried to turn it on just yet. We are about to do the first startup with you guys. And hopefully everything's going to go well. And, you know, we don't have no major leaks with oil, the oil sandwich adapter, you know, everything to the front, around the head and all that. Really crossing fingers. I am confident in my work. Fuel prime. This is E85, so it's going to take a little while to turn on. No fuel smell. No leaks. Alright. Prime this a little bit. Oh, it's on. Mind you guys, there's no coolant or anything in it. It does have the same oil, and I topped off the oil, so hopefully that's good. Y-band is not hooked up either. All right. Turbo is spinning, no oil leaks, front or rear. That's freaking awesome. Hell yeah. Oh, right on time. And that pretty much concludes this video, guys. The Vtec head conversion is complete. We are looking good. Probably gonna do the coolant, and then tomorrow we're gonna take care of the new turbo kit. And right now I'm pretty much gonna run through the new turbo kit, make sure we have everything before I go and install it. But I'm super stoked that this went as planned, and hopefully my buddy is going to be excited. He hasn't heard it, he hasn't seen it yet. So but yeah, if you guys enjoyed today's video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you guys want to stick around for the new turbo kit install, be sure to hit the subscribe button, guys. And with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.